Let's start about what I have built uh, and what I have done to my homework. So this is my first script, extractor.py. Here the script began by importing necessary libraries like PyMuPDF, OS, and JSON, and after that I have defined a Python dictionary. Here I have divided the data into 5 categories like company details, auditor details, appointment details, attachment, and previous auditor. After carefully examining the main PDF file, and after that I make some utility function to uh, save the data into JSON, and to clean the value what I get from the library, from the PDF extraction. So I can give you an example like this. Here here is a data table, or you can say that what I have get from extracting the PDF. So I need to clean the key, and assign the value after that. That's why I um, use this function, and it is obvious we need to open the PDF file, and after that we extract. We use generally in PDF there are many files, so we need to loop it. So I use for loop, and inside that for loop I use mm, I use the package method widget um, to extract the field name and field value. um, and this is the value. I um, I write a if and elif code um, uh, to individually check every field name and value, and assign them and to my structured data. And uh, after that I carefully examine the PDF file, and found that there was some attachment, or attachment file, or attachment file PDF. So uh, I extract them from the main file. And also there was a table in page 2, so um, where auditor type and start and end date was there. So I use the package PyMuPDF to extract the data, and I found that the data was in 2D array. So I write this code to traverse the array, and then populate my dictionary according to some data value. And after that, as we know, we have to save it to a JSON file format. So this helps to save the data, or the to dictionary to a JSON format, and we save it. And before, I was talking about the embedded file in the main PDF. So that is the code is here, and this is the code. So let me run this code, and you will see that some changes will occur in here. So let's enter, and you see that there is an output embedded file where the file full file full file is saved now, and there is an output.json file. Let me see. uh, Let me show this. We can see that uh, uh, that there is a company details and its value. It's saved in key value pair, so it's helpful. I have assumed that um, this type of data should be there to summarize the main PDF. So this is the output JSON. This is the output JSON file, and after that uh, we need to work on this PDF. So I make this so this is also a bonus question. This was also a bonus question. So I do that. I did it successfully. So this is my bonus script. So this Python script process all PDF files in a folder where output.embedded, uh, and extract both image and text from each page using PyMuPDF and also OCR, Tesseract OCR. See, I carefully examined the PDF file and saw that the PDF file is not in a text format. Uh, uh, each of them are in a image format, so PyMuPDF cannot read that. So I need to use OCR. So I use Tesseract OCR. First, it set up the required library PyMuPDF to read and render PDF pages as image, and below and OS also is also needed. And here is an this is the main function, method or function you can call. This method extract image and text from PDF and save the image, and also save the OCR text file in a TXT format. So this is the code. So let me run it. So the name is bonus.py. So bonus.py. Let me run it, and you can see that this is processing the image one by one and saving the text data into text format. So this is the output of this script, where image was saved and like this, and the corresponding text was also saved here. And then I should feed the text to updated my JSON format, and then I can send it to a model to summarize. So for that I made another script named update.json, um, update.json to update the uh, update the uh, update the output.json file. So this script processes uh, uh, process documents to extract and organize key information into a structured JSON file. First, it load the existing output.json file, and then it there is a save.json to save the JSON, save the updated JSON, and then there is a read text file, so to read the text file that was saved in here, and the extract component details. These functions are so the script uses flexible pattern matching to identify and extract detail such as company detail and company auditor detail and appointment detail and many other data, and the script update the original JSON data with the extracted information and save it to a new file. So save it to a new updated JSON file. So so this approach handle skipping potential error gracefully, or like it is updating the main PDF file with its using the attachment file. So let me run it first. So that name is update.json. So output.json.py, and we can see that it is successfully updated, just updated the JSON file. So let me check updated JSON. Yes, there is an updated JSON. So you can see that many things are added, like a director and contact number, and many things. Some things are not in output.json, but in updated, but updated in JSON. So we can now feed it to any model and make a summary about the PDF. So now we will go to the last script I made, named summary.py. So here you can see that we install OpenAI. Obviously we need OpenAI. I use here OpenAI. There is a scope to use other model also, but I use OpenAI here. So importing library, and then setting up the Mistral AI. There is an API key and their URL, and load the updated JSON file, convert it to a string to feed them to model. So this is the prompt. So obviously we need a prompt to summary the document. So here is the prompt, and then we need to make a request to the server. So these things are in the documentation, so I collect it from the documentation and then apply it here. So here is an after receiving the response, I save it to summary.txt file. So that's it. So let me run it now. summary.py. It takes some times. Okay, so this is the final answer, and you can see that it summarized the whole document. So I successfully did the work with bonus mark. So thank you.